Eric Pasta here from Brady's Fitness. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use the DMoose ab straps. So how you're going to do this, first of all and foremost, the softer side, the black side, is going to be the side that's facing down on your elbow, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to take a desired bar, make sure it's high enough to where your feet are going to be off the ground when you take tension, okay? I'm using a bench here because I like it a little bit higher, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to detach the carabiner and the strap. To begin, you're going to wrap it around the bar and you're going to loop that carabiner back through the opposite side strap. You're going to make sure the tension is not on the carabiner but on the strap itself. And once that's in there, you have a nice loop to put your elbow through. All right, so the other one's already up here. I'm going to slide one arm through, slide the other arm through. I'm going to hold tension on the straps themselves. I'm going to slowly descend, and then I'm ready to perform whatever it is I'm doing. Today, I'm just going to be doing knee raises. That is how you use DMoose Fitness ab straps.